Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to recover smashed videos from the Tesla video recorders Tesla Dashcam. Now let's open the Dolphin DVR Pro data recovery software. Now we need to select this third one. This is for all the video recorders, including the car video recorders, the UAV, the law enforcement recorders. Now we click Start Now to enter the data recovery software for the video recorders and law recorders. We can see this one, okay? Now first step, we need to load the image file, and this one, this is a Tesla video recorder image file. And for all the image file or device to be selected on the left side, we need to select the partition. If there are multiple partitions, users need to select the partition one by one, okay? And users cannot select this one. If there are low partitions, then users can select this one. Select the device or select the image file directly, okay? Now let's select the partition, and then we select the 14, the Tesla driver recorder system, and this one, the Tesla, and this is the special brand here. And our engineers have created the algorithm automatically. So users just select this brand and double click, and the software will help to create this task automatically. So this one is very easy to do it. Now we can see that this is the file type. So means all the videos included in this image file will be the MP4 video format, and its code type is H264. Now that means these are the raw mode videos, not the raw videos. So we just need to recover these MP4 videos, and then we can use the common standard video players to play these videos. We click OK. After we click OK, now we can see that the software has started to extract the dates with all available videos. And it will list all the videos on the different dates. We can see the checksum. For digital forensic purpose, users can use the checksum. After the checksum is selected, and the recovery will be slower because it will generate the checksum and compare the checksum values at the same time to make sure the result is intact and not modified at any moment. Okay, so this checksum is specially used for the digital computer forensic purpose. And this is normal setting to see where the recovered videos will be saved. Now, in order to enhance the recovery efficiency, so we can stop here. Okay. For full data recovery, users need to wait until the scanning this progress bar completes. It will reach 100%. So after that, users will get all the lost videos from this software scanning. So this means the software is recovering all the lost videos and including the deleted, formatted, or initialized videos. So this one is very powerful and helpful. Now all the video fragmented files are being searched and listed here, and now let's stop it and check the result. We can see now, because the videos found are fragmented video files, so the program will rebuild them, will restructure all the video fragmented files, or just to combine these fragmented video files into one complete video so that users can play the videos normally. Otherwise, users cannot play the videos because it's just fragmented files. Okay, now let's check on the different dates. For example, these dates, and the green one means the videos are okay. Now because why it's red, because we just the scanning is not complete, so we can see some red ones because these videos are not complete, so they cannot play maybe. Okay, so they are red. Now we can see these green videos, that means these videos are complete recovered videos, so we can try to select one of them to recover for testing purpose. Okay, now we need to select the parts to save the wanted video. Now we click OK. Click OK. Now we can see that the recovered videos is the MP4 format. Now let's go to the desktop and we can see that this is a video with the date. Now we open this folder and we can find out there are two videos, and we can double click to play these videos. Okay, so it's very easy. Now that means the videos can be playable, and we can continue. Okay, we can continue to recover the other videos lost within this Tesla video recorder, or this Tesla Dashcam videos will be recovered after the scanning is complete. We can stop at any time, we can continue at any time, or sometimes if you suffer one accident power loss within your office, users can exit the program and users can later load the task. Okay, load the existing task to continue from where it stopped last time. So this one is very easy to use. Now we can click the view and click directory, and also there's the log window, directory, and the device. We can switch between different interfaces easily so that users can control the whole video recovery process to make sure the final result is perfect. Okay, so this is the step to recover the lost videos from Tesla driver